Do you want to join in the Code Sandbox challenges, but you're not quite sure where to start? Don't worry, let's whiz through a quick text animation together. Start a new sandbox, make a section and a container, and a heading with some text in. Boop. Hide the overflow on the container and pop a border on so we can see what's going on. Make it bigger. Choose a nice font. Reduce the margin and the line height. Nice and tight. Bosh some padding on the top. JavaScript time. Add the GSAP trial package. Import GSAP. Grab the SplitText plugin. Register the plugin. Split the text. Let's take a look. Yeah, all nicely split up. Right, grab the characters. Make a tween. Animate the text in from the bottom of the div. It works. Bit boring though. Let's add a stagger. Awesome. Right, bouncy ease time. And let's slow it down a bit. Let's do it on scroll now. Add scroll trigger, register that plugin too, and add a scroll trigger. Add a trigger and a starting point and some markers to debug. Well, hey, look at that. Don't need the border anymore. And that's the lot. Smashed it.